Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ari and you guys are watching Finance Square. In today's video, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. Now, it's been a while since I covered cryptocurrency. Yes, I'm still into cryptocurrency, but I didn't feel like I need to talk about cryptocurrency. And today, I feel it's a great day to talk about it. Now, I'm sure you guys saw by now that most of your cryptocurrency has reached all-time high. You can literally just pick any cryptocurrency and reach their all-time high of this year or the all-time high like forever. Now we can even look at Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance, Cardano, Polkadot. Let's just keep going on and on and on. So I wanted to maybe explain to you guys what might be driving this crazy and amazing rally for everyone or for this cryptocurrency. Again, it's just a speculation as to why this is happening and how far this will continue. So stay tuned. So let's start maybe from the basic logic as to why we're seeing everything going up in cryptocurrency. There's a very strong momentum in the equity market. We're seeing that right now NASDAQ and most of the indices around the world, or the major one, the American one, are literally doing very, very well and are breaking the record. Now, another thing you should probably consider is that right now we're going to the after Corona, so people are going back on track, people are being hired, there's more availability, there's a feel that we are behind the COVID-19, and from here you can only go up. So this is something that I feel that is also pushing people to invest back in certain sector, if it's in the tourism industry, if it's in the hotel industry, if it's in I don't know what industry that was affected dramatically during the COVID-19. People now are start to believe that we're going to go back to normal within the next few months or within a year. So people are literally just buying in different equity market. Now, when we look at a cryptocurrency, one of the main reasons I think it's really interesting is if we look at Coinbase IPO is scheduled to go live this week. It's a company that has been associated with bringing a lot of customers. It's probably one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange. So they are looking to go public this week or so, and their valuation is crazy. Now, whenever you have a company that is generating billions of dollars in the last quarter, you're obviously gonna get hype. And today is the best place for you guys to obviously to have your money in cryptocurrency related company, and having Coinbase going public will basically set the tone for any other business that is making money from cryptocurrency. So there's a lot of excitement now. If you have seen my video where I basically said that Binance back in February will be valued at $1,000 within the next 5 years, which basically 5 years became literally 7 months or so. There's a lot of information that I actually cover which makes sense to why Binance is going to be, in my opinion, the #1 trading platform in the world in regards to customers, in regards to the offering, also regarding to the revenue. So it's going to be the only entity in the world that will be generating a ridiculous amount of revenue. Now, if you go now to CoinMarketCap, you're going to look at the market cap for Binance. You're going to see it's around $90 billion. Now, you probably know that Coinbase valuation is around $100 billion. Now, I really believe that Binance is generating much more revenue than Coinbase. Now, I think I'm going to be probably the first person to ever going to say it. I think that Binance will be valued within the next 5 years, not $100 billion, $1 trillion. Now, if you don't understand why, please go back and watch the video I did about Binance. Now let's move forward. Now there's a very big hype. If you look at eToro, if you look at Robinhood, any trading platform has generated a lot of money, and most of them are offering cryptocurrency because cryptocurrency also generate a very nice commissions. In some cases, you might be looking at 0.5% revenue or commission to up to 5% in certain platforms. Now, if you have $100 million worth of volume, it's actually a nice amount of money. If you have $1 billion, we're talking about $50 million. So again, this is something for you guys to really try to understand. Right now, all eyes are on cryptocurrency. We had the NFT big movement, and now we have basically the IPO. We have the SPAC. So there is a lot of thing that is really getting people a lot of excitement. Also, if you saw probably the XRP, we saw the rally of XRP. We saw in the past week 160%. And one of the reasons that possibly might justify why we had this big rally is because it seemed that the SEC might lose against Ripple because Ripple had some cases where they were able to win. And again, it's not the final, but it seemed that the ground is literally preparing itself as if Ripple were not going to be considered, or should I say XRP was not going to be considered as a security. So there's a lot of things that are really pushing the market. And again, if you have a lot of money and you've been already investing in the stock market and you have something that can literally move within a week by 170%, you want some of these actions. You're going to be probably putting maybe 5%, 4% of your money and then basically exiting after, I don't know, 1 day, 1 week or so. So this is really, really exciting. And I think, guys, I know it's going to be very hard for you guys. You're probably going to be looking at the one, maybe even putting your money in coin that just now reached the all-time high. The logic should always be the following. Am I investing because I think the coin going to go up in the next week or two or few days? If this is the logic, probably it's not a great idea. It might be a great idea if you put a small amount of money. If you put a lot of money and it doesn't go up, I'm pretty sure that a lot of people got burned when we had the last crazy rally a few months ago on Dogecoin, and they actually bought a big amount of Dogecoin at the previous all-time high. And then I think we had a correction of 60% or something like that. So it might be very painful. So the logic is, if you have money to burn and take a lot of risk, great, take a lot of risk and set yourself a target and then just exit that target. Now, if you guys are a hardcore believer in cryptocurrency, obviously just invest in what you believe in. Don't invest in projects that has no value and just here to pump and dump. So I feel quite comfortable regarding to what's happening right now, saying that I'm hoping that we're going to have a sort of correction in the future, maybe in the next year or two. I don't know when it's going to happen. And I'm hoping we're going to have a correction. We might never, ever see again a correction like we saw in the previous cycle, which will be a bit weird. But this cycle, we're seeing a lot of things that are very different. We're seeing a lot of money, a lot of institution, a lot of hedge fund, quant fund that are literally investing and trading in the top cryptocurrency and somehow is maintaining that price. So this is basically what's happening right now. If you're a newcomer to a cryptocurrency, should you invest in cryptocurrency? Definitely yes. Should you invest it hoping you're going to make some return or double your money within the next few months or a year? Probably not. Should you invest hoping that you're going to make some money in the next 5 years? Definitely yes. So again, this channel is not to tell you what coin to buy. It's more about to understand right now we are once again in a very bullish momentum. Everything is green. Everything seems to be very positive. And I think this probably continue for a few days, maybe a week or two, and then we're going to see some correction. So as always, guys, try to stay safe when it comes to cryptocurrency. try to maybe do a little bit more research before investing. If you have invested in a coin that have already generated to you some profit, and you think there is a much more potential to grow, then it might be a time to consider when will be the good time to enter, and obviously to maybe consider exiting some of those profit. So this is a very good place to be in, guys. Cryptocurrency. I know that I did some video about stablecoin, how you can actually stake. Again, it's a very volatile, and if you have a lot of money involved, and seeing 20% up is amazing, but obviously you need to think what will happen if you're gonna go down. Can you handle the heat? If you're not able to handle the heat, then you probably should look at staking in stablecoin and getting up to 30% a year, than trying to your luck in making 500% a year. And this is my current view on the market. And again, I'm very positive about Binance future for the next 5 years. I really believe that Binance is really reinventing himself. The fact that are actually looking to start and offer tokenized stock, which I think it's amazing, that can really bring the valuation of Binance to a whole new level. So Coinbase is valued at $100 billion. Right now I'm looking at Binance Coin, it's $90 billion. Imagine taking Coinbase, Revolut, Robinhood, and eToro valuation, merging them all together, or all top investment platform into Binance additional valuation. So again, if you are more into investing what you believe in, I think investing in platform or investing in company that is benefiting from the whole growth of cryptocurrency, it's a great investment. If you are into the DeFi, so also looking at a DeFi platform that you believe in, and obviously being part of the ecosystem and generating some profit. So this is my view on cryptocurrency, and again, I'm not sure when I'm going to see a correction, but I'm rating if I'm going to see a correction. And obviously you need to have those limits to see when is a good time for you guys to exit. So that's it. Until next time. Bye bye.